Hey, what's up everybody? This little dude here, and just want to go over my Harbor Freight Motorcycle Dolly here. Just got it put together a little bit ago. Took me about an hour, like most people say it does, and want to show you a couple of things that might be important to you. From the tip here, just ignore my cane pole pointer here. From the tip to the end to end, it's 78.5 inches. From the center of the dolly to the end of the kickstand tray is 18.5 inches, and this is 7.5 inches wide. Now, if you look, there's three slots that you can put the kickstand lever in, or tray. This is fully forward. I've got a 2011 Harley Road King, and I had it in the middle, and the kickstand was up against this this far side here, and it was actually kind of angled inward, and I was afraid that it would fall, so I went ahead and moved this over here, or to the far end, and it worked perfect. Now, if you look at this, these levers here, what they do, these little ramps, that's how you lock the dolly in place. All right, there's one on both ends, and if you look at this here, it's probably not going to last. I may not even need it, but I got some rubberized tread. It comes in a sheet, again at Harbor Freight, and the reason I put it on top is because with the weight of the motorcycle on the dolly, if you put it here and put the lever down, it's just going to peel it right up, so it'll come right off. On this far end here, now there's been, rightfully so, talk about how the dolly will scoot, all right, when you're trying to ride up on it. How I fixed that is I got a about a 2 by 6 foot long, got a 45-degree angle on it, and so what I did is I put that at the end there, where you got a little angle there that you can ride up on, and then this is almost perfectly in line with the dolly itself, and it does not scoot. So that's a solution to that problem. And I'm gonna go put my bike on here, and I'll show you what it looks like. There you have it, did not scoot an inch. Hell yeah. All right, and this is what it looks like on the dolly. It's, like I said, it's a 2011 Road King, and it's a pretty good fit. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment below, and if you just want to share, if you got some friends that may be thinking about a dolly, I highly recommend it, because I park it right back there in that corner, and I used to go straight in. With this right here, I'm just going to back it in there on this dolly, and just ride straight out. So really excited about it. Hell, it even matches the color of my bike. All right, hey, y'all have a good one, and be safe riding. Thanks for watching.